In preparation for our lesson today, we will review how to draw a circle. First thing we're going to do is decide what the radius of the circle is to be. In this case, I want a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. So I'm going to draw the center point of my circle at 0. Draw the other side at 5 centimeters. That'll be the edge of my circle. I'm then going to take my pencil and connect these two. And that will be the radius of my circle. You can then remove the ruler. You're then going to take your compass and place the pointy end on the center of your circle. I'm going to turn mine so I can see the other end, but I'm going to place it on the center. You're then going to take your compass and open it so that the pencil touches the other end. And that will be where it has to stay. You then rotate it with the pointy edge staying on the center. And you have your circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. Now for the activity that we're doing today, you will be measuring the radius, which we already have shown here. You will be noting that in the table. You will then be measuring the diameter of the circle. Please remember that the diameter is a line segment that goes from outside to outside of the circle, must be touching the center point. So you will find this measurement using your ruler. You will then be taking a piece of string and you will be measuring the circumference of the circle. And please remember, the circumference of the circle is the measurement of this outside edge of the circle. Now to do that, you will place either a string or one of the pieces of thin wire, and you will make it as close to touching the edge of the circle all of the way around as possible. You will then stretch the wire out, such as this, and you will measure that with your ruler. All three of these measurements will then be placed in your table. You will be creating 4 different circles with different radii on each. You will then be noting the radius, the diameter, and the circumference for each. We will then be using these measurements to see what kind of patterns develop and what information we can draw from that.